Oh, you're turning 4.
I am 4. Yes, I'm strong. My muscles.
You can balance?
Look at my muscles. See? My
Oh,
muscles.
let me see your muscles, Kate. Those are big muscles.
See, that's good. Hey, I want balance. Don't put your foot on.
Ellie.
It's yours.
Whoa.
You okay, mister?
Yeah. Yes. Uh-oh.
I think it's really on the wood. That's...
No, it'll scratch my wood.
No, it's got little buffers.
No? Mm-mm.
Watch out, Ellie. Move your legs out. Spread your legs out, Carson.
Yeah, you want to spread them out. There you go. All right,
Stand
here you
up.
go.
I do.
Arms out. Help you balance. Arms out. Help keep your balance. Knees bent. Knees bent. Knees bent. Okay.
Mom, just I
Now
can.
balance.
Just like this. Just like this.
You can do it, Carson. Stand up. Just stand up.
No.
Balance. You're not balancing. Balance. 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 Balance.
Goofballs. Oh, are you guys fighting on a pillow? How cute. Not. Hey, Kate, I have you videotaped fighting with your sister. It's on video camera. Caitlin, stop.
Action.
Kate, is it your turn to balance?
Action.
Kate's turn.
No, it's action.
No, let Kate have a turn right now.
Okay.
Kate hasn't had a turn yet.
My turn.
No, it's Kate's turn.
It will be scary.
Kate, get on there.
Let me help you.
No, come on.
Let me
Carson, get
just
down.
show her how you do it.
Carson.
Let's just show her how you do it. No. Whoa. What's that? That is be cool. My turn.
Oh my goodness, that is just the coolest. Now, you ready to get on the balance board?
Yes, I am, sir. Well, let me just
Yes,
show
I
you how
am,
you do
sir.
this. Yes, ma'am. Wait, let me just fix this.
No, there's nothing wrong with it. Carson, off now. I don't have much video time. I want to see Kate. Ellie, off.
Come on, Kate.
All right, good job, Ellie. Come over here. It's Kate's turn.
Does it look too scary?
It's Kate's turn. Come, hold on to your blankie.
Kate, be careful. No, don't.
Come on, Kate.
Move Ellie bugs. There you go.
Hurry.
All right, there you go, Kate. Legs apart. You're supposed to try to balance, Kate.
No, don't push your legs down.
No, just try
Just
not.
stand up. Just
Don't let
stand
it
up.
touch the edges.
Just stand up, Kate.
We're done?
Whoa.
You're done, Kate?
Whoa.
You're done?
Whoa.
That's cool.
Yeah.
My turn. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I'm just... My turn.
Carson,
See?
be very careful.
Okay, but I'm just my big muscle over. My turn. No, this is action. Whoa.
That was pretty good, Carson.
My turn.
You did that without Daddy.
I'm worried he's gonna go.
My turn.
Probably gonna hurt.
Carson, it's not so. It can be dangerous. Here, sit down right here, Ellie.
Couldn't.
It's all right though.
Okay. Maybe
You're
you
there.
should move over more to the middle of the carpet, just in case you fall. You'll fall on the carpet and not on the wood.
Okay.
Okay. Right here. Right there.
Maybe just.
You're okay.
Okay, you're okay. Right there.
Okay, Chance. Hold me.
No, don't. I'm not grabbing you. Kate, move out of the way.
It's okay if it's leaning on one side. Get on it. Get on it. Then you can balance it. It's okay to lean on one side. Yeah, it can lean on one side. There you go.
No.
You
Ellie,
okay?
No, it's not your turn yet. I know. Okay, just a minute. Ellie, move out of the way so Carson doesn't sit on you.
faster than that.
What?
Glad you're okay. Okay, be careful. Be careful.
Do it. Like me. You're the strongest boy. What? No, the water made you. He made you so strong. Well, actually, Jesus just made you.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I told ya. I told you, Carson. I told you, Carson, you could do it. You could do it. Okay, I know. Mama. Hey, maybe we say go, Carson. Go, Carson. Okay, Dad?
Okay, go Carson,
Sit.
go
Go,
Carson,
Carson.
go
Go,
Carson,
Carson.
go
Go,
Carson.